Welcome. In this video, we'll be finding the area of a regular polygon given its side length, part 1. Let's take a look at our example. Example, find the area of the regular polygon shown below. Notice that we're given that it's a regular polygon, so we know that all three sides are congruent, and we also know that all three angles are congruent as well. In addition, since we're given one of the side lengths, what we're going to do is simply trace the height here. Let's actually draw the perpendicular, and we're going to say, well, this is going to be a perpendicular, so that's a 90-degree angle. Furthermore, since we're splitting this side into two congruent parts, we're going to say that that's half of the side length of 8 square root of 2, so that's 4 square root of 2. And our job is to figure out what is the height. Now I'm going to extract that half on the left from this particular triangle, and I'm going to say, well, here's what we have. We have a 90-degree angle. This is 4 square root of 2. This side is 8 square root of 2. And I know that this is actually a 60-degree angle because we're dealing with the regular polygon. The sum of interior angles in a triangle is 180. And 180 divided by 3 congruent triangles gets me a measure of 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees. And this is also 30 degrees. Oh, beautiful. We're dealing with the special right triangle. So if you recall, this is going to be x, this is going to be x square root of 3, and this is going to be 2 times x. Since x is equal to 4 square root of 2, we can say that this side length is simply 4 square root of 2 times the square root of 3. And that becomes simply 4 square root of 6. Okay, now we have the height. Notice that that's the actual height of the triangle, and we can say, well, the base, it's going to be 4 square root of 2 times 2 because that's the actual length, or simply 8 square root of 2. Now that we have both the height and the base, we can say area of the triangle is 1/2 times base times height, or in this case, we can say that the area is equal to half of the base, and the base being 8 square root of 2, times the height, which is 4 square root of 6. Now, half of 8, it's simply 4, so we have area is equal to 4 square root of 2 times 4 square root of 6, and multiplying 4 times 4, we get 16, and square root of 2 times the square root of 6 becomes the square root of 12. Now, let's factor out that square root of 12. We can say that that is equal to 16 square root of 4 times 3 inside the radical, or simply 16 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 3. Notice that the square root of 4 is 2, so we can replace that, and we can say this is 16 times 2 square root of 3. And 16 times 2 is 32, so we get that the area is 32 square root of 3 square units. So we can say the following. Therefore, the area of the triangle is 32 square root of 3 square units. And that's how we can find the area of a regular polygon given its side length. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.